Unlock a world of entertainment with Stremio, the all-in-one media center that puts your favorite movies and TV shows right at your fingertips. First, we need to get Stremio onto your device. Head over to the official Stremio website and download the appropriate installer for your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process, just like installing any other application. After installing, launch Stremio. You'll be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. This account helps you sync your library and watch history across devices. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the clean Stremio interface. Now, let's talk about the magic behind Stremio add-ons. These add-ons are what connect Stremio to various content sources. To get started, navigate to the add-ins section, usually found in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a curated list of official and community-developed add-ons for a broad selection of movies and TV shows. Popular choices often include extensions that connect to services like Track TV for tracking and others that provide access to publicly available content. Simply click on an add-on you're interested in, and then click the install button. You'll be able to browse and stream content directly through Stremio. Once the add-on is active, many users also install add-ons that interface with file sharing services to access a wider library of content. However, it's crucial to understand the legal implications of accessing copyrighted material without proper authorization. Once you have your desired add-ons installed, you can start exploring. Browse through the featured titles, search for specific movies or shows, and when you find something you want to watch, click on it. Stremio will then present you with available streaming options, often showing you different quality levels and sources. Select your preferred option and enjoy. Remember, responsible streaming means being aware of the source of your content and respecting copyright laws. Stremio itself is a media player, and the content you access through add-ons is determined by those add-ons and their sources. With the right add-ons and a mindful approach, Stremio offers an incredibly versatile way to organize and enjoy your entertainment library.